Ani, bojo, bindige, kinoya, bindige, nichkiwen yek, bindige, nichkiwen yek. Eh, nadai gitchinendam kina, wabmin gok. Nadai gitchinendam kina, wabmin gok. I'm really happy to see all of yous. Nungo. Today, now, Nungo. Here's a quick shout out to my friends, my mentors, Mala Shona. Beautiful, beautiful, very strong, Anishinaabe, Kinomage. Charles Lipper, Chimigwech for all of your work. Getchidakwe, Lorraine McCrae. Chimigwech, Don Cucci. Oh, don't stop with those beautiful posts. I love your phrases, constantly practicing them. Oh, Getchinuchkan, Nadanwen Magan, Christopher King, Stataha, Chimigwech. Meanwhile, Bernice Trudeau, Getche Kinomage, Gabik Kinomage, Kwe. Maba. Chimigwech Bernice. Nuichka. Henry Pitwanaquit. Wanda Trudeau. Meanwhile, Norbert Kelsey. Oh, Bedek. Moni Washington Padula. Tosawe Sadler and his beautiful family. Chimigwech. Meanwhile, Scott. Dean. Get your Anishinaabe. Get your Anishinaabe Maba. Oh, there's so many of you I want to say thanks to, And, Darren Corbier, another beautiful teacher of Anishinaabemowin, another mentor. Meanwhile, Bill Proctor. Oh, Shtataha, Bill Proctor. Now, there's a very, very powerful man. I would love to take a trip to his territory and pick his brains and pick up some skills, Kimino Dapanan Anishinaabe skills. Chimigwech. Mr. Jeff Moneg. Oh, wow. And all his beautiful work with the veterans. Chimigwech. Okay, we're going to close this up. I got a couple more I want to do shout out with. Let me see. Mr. Alphonse Pitwanaquit. Meanwhile, Grace Wagushque, Grace Fox. I really like your little comments on the Facebook. Mr. Ken Pitwanaquit, our Jedi Anishinaabe. He's one of a very inspiring mentor, teacher of Anishinaabemowin. I take a lot of my own inspirations from him. Yep. Mr. Marcus Tyler Sr., Chimigwech, down South Ontario. Chimigwech. Winish Maba. There are so many people in Facebook. It's a community, and a digital electronic community of Anishinaabemowin. It's just wonderful. I want to also give my thanks to what is her name now? I know her as Noden Kwe, but her first name it's just slipping my mind. I'm gonna have to find it soon. But yeah, I want you people to think about something, I've been doing a lot of thinking. And I've been reading all your comments and doing my best to keep up with responses. And I love the humor. And when I was a young boy, I lived on the streets in a big city. And I would hang out with the Concrete Clan. That's what we called ourselves, Anishinaabek. Asindo them. And we would meet each other. We all knew where our territories were. And I would take my panhandle money, and I'd go to the museum gimmick, to the Dawe gimmick, the grocery store. I would go buy some wias, Anishinaabe wias, Indian steaks, and meanwhile, pakwejigan, wapshke, pakwejigan, the bleached bread. Meanwhile, and, some mustard, and make some sandwiches real quick. Buy a couple bottles of pop with my zhongyas, and I go out I go out there, and I'd hang out with my brothers and sisters. Well, I would hand out sandwiches, and we'd have some drinks, pop, and we'd talk Indian. Anishinaabemowin pane. Mino na bukshka Anishinaabemowin. So we talk broken Indian, Opto. Jaganashimowin, meanwhile, Anishinaabemowin. And even though our language, when we spoke, some of us had different ways of saying things, and some of us had more understanding, and some of us had less understanding. But the thing is that we all had one thing in common. We had humor. And it was that humor that kept my confidence and interest in keeping Anishinaabemowin alive inside me, keeping that fire burning. You know, my brothers and sisters that were on the street, many of them have passed on. But I remember them, and that's what they gave me. They gave me the confidence to speak the language, have a good laugh with the language, and never stop practicing. Even if it is broken Anishinaabe. You know, like half and half, So that's what I want to say to you today. Don't give up. Stay away from those naysayers, or stay away from those ones that are too many excuses of why they're not practicing. You know, our elders are investing so much energy and time, so much love, so much medicine using Anishinaabemowin. You know, and it's so valuable. They see the value in you. You know, to give you 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, to give you an hour lesson even. You know, there's value in that. Because they know that what they're giving to you, a part of that's going to be, that's a part of their spirit. That's how I think of it. A part of their spirit is in the language. You're going to carry that. You're going to mix it with your own spirit. And then you're going to give it to your children, or to your relatives, or to your friends, in a good way. So that spirit is being passed on. You know, that's how I see it. Now, let's start our lesson of the day. Hambe Machtada. Here we are. Ani Nuichke. Ani Nuichke. Hello, friend. Bemad Zoen. Bemad Zoen. Wenjishing. Wenjishing. Okay, all together, real quick. Ani Nuichke. Bemad Zoen. Wenjishing. I want you to pay attention to the flow of the words. That's what I've been working on a lot. I don't want to make it sound like I'm just reading all the time, I want it to come out of me, like flowing water, Get your toa in the bay. Sacred water coming out of me. I want my voice to flow. Here we go. Hambe. Ani nuichke. Ebe mazuin a winjishing. Okay, let's change that up a bit. Ani nuichke. Ebe mazuin a winjishing. Ani nuichke. Ebe mazuin a winjishing. This is something you say to yourself every time you see your reflection in a mirror or a pane of glass. You know, I want you to say that. You see something in creation you really like, a bird, a rabbit, wabus, beneshi, anquat, minwagi, mishomas gizis, whoever. I want you to say, Ani nuichke, ebemadzawin, a winjishing. You know, just say it with that spirit inside of you, that beautiful spirit I know is there. Ani nuichke, ebemadzawin, a winjishing. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is something you say when you're gonna, go separate or depart from a place or somebody. Mino gijigat ke. Nahal? Mino gijigat ke. Some people will say ke, and some will say ke. Mino gijigat ke. Nahal? So you have a good day, okay? Say it with enthusiasm and spirit, and you mean what you say. Mino gijigat ke. Nahal? Here's another one. Ya mak. Mino gijigat mak. So you're telling somebody to have a good day. Have a good day. Ya mak. Ya mak. Mino gijigat mak. Don't worry about the pronunciation so much as I want you to feel the language coming out of you. I want it to lift your spirit. I want it to raise your mind, Above all, I want you to transcend all that juggernaut mowing inside of you. And just go up into the Anishinaabe K, way up there. Ya mak, eminogiziga mak. Nahal, mi gwech bane. Kaza again, kiwabin, we ba kawabin minwa. Ya mak, eminogiziga mak. Ya mak, emino giziga mak. Aha, bamapi.